I'm still making breakfast, girls. But I'm bored. I want to eat the carrot. No, not yet. I'm still making breakfast. I'm making carrot salad now. Why don't you girls go play in your playroom? Fine. Look at this. Look at all these toys. Now stand like me. Wow. Here, I'll help you stand because I'm only 3 years old. I'm only 3 years old. You're 4. Yeah, I'm 4. Okay. What was that? What happened? What happened? Look at all these. What happened? Where are they? What happened? What is this? Yeah, what is this? Cloudies? Cloudies? What in the heck is that? It looks like there's a few things on the sides, and there's a little, maybe they're toys. Here, let's set them all up. I wish we had a new buddy to live next door. Yeah, but first, should we open these? Cloudy's minis. Yeah, let's open these. But first, let's go ask Mommy what they are. Mommy! What? We found these toys and it rained on us, and then we all felt a roll. Can we open them? What is going on? That's the thing I just talked about. Yeah, it looks like they're toys. You can open them. While I make breakfast or something to keep you busy so you stop begging me if breakfast is ready. Sounds good. Come on, you can start opening them. Yay! Okay. What do we do here? Do we take this part off? Yeah, I think we rip them open. Yeah. I think they can jump through it. Ooh. I think it's sand. I don't know. There's some jiggling in there. But there's surprises inside. There is surprises inside. Ooh, it's so cute. Cute checklist. And it, let's see, I have to open this one. You can put its tail in. It's a new pet. You got Rock and Tiger. Rock and Tiger? Oh, Rock and Tiger is so cute. Oh. But what could this be? Maybe a keychain to put it on? Oh, cool! Yeah, it feels so soft. Yeah. Now let's jump to the next one. No. Let's just open it. No, Mama. This cute little thing has a cute little fuzzy tail. Oh, look at his face. Look how cute this little polar bear is. See? But this is the one we got. Rock and Tiger. Right there. We should check her off. Mommy, bring us a pen. Okay. Here you girls go. Here's a pen. Okay, I'll take it. Yes, let's check it. Little Rock and Tiger. Yeah. Check. We check this thing can bust toys open. See? Huh? This thing can bust toys open. No, let's just open it on our own. Okay, so let's open this one the exact way we opened the other one, I guess. Oh, this one's a little harder. Surprises in the cloud. So never ever throw the cloud away. Never think it's just a cloud. Just open the box and then open the lid behind the cloud. And then you'll get some surprises. Yeah. Oh, I never noticed. Look inside the Breezy Koala. Breezy Koala? Can you check her off? Yeah. With the pen! It's right there. She's so cute! She's just so cute! Oh, amazing! You're so cute! Let's keep the collector's guy right there. Okay. Now let me put in her tail so we can see how far look. The tail's not going in. Okay, the last Cloudy that we got. See? It's cute. Yeah, but we got another one and she's so cute. It's just a little pink, what's it called? It's called Breezy Koala. Breezy Koala. Look at a little heart on her tummy. Or it's a cloud on her tummy. This is actually a Mercedes pen. Because look, there's the symbol. It's a Mercedes car pen. Okay, let's get on with this. Oh, look at how pretty her eyebrows are clouds. And she has a nice poofy pink tail. It's so soft. Yes. And look at this one. It has a little... It's so puffy. Yeah. She has a little yellow and white tail. It has a little gray on the bottom of her. And she also has some cute little lightning bolts, and she also has the same cloud symbol on his tummy as the other one. Interesting. Just so you know, my name is Sugar. Yeah, we all know that. And there's the one that we got out of that one, and here's the one we got out of the middle one. Which one will we get out? Look how cute the cloud things are. Oh my god, there's actually a separate piece. Yeah, there's separate pieces. You could also use the cloud to store your stuff in and keep your cloud safe. Yeah, you keep the cloud to keep your cloud safe. You take this off, and then you can put your little cloudy inside the clear part when you take that part off. And then you can have a nice, cute little see-through thing, and you can see your little cloudy through it. Okay, let's move on to the last Cloudy. You think Daddy will win toys again, though? Yeah, I don't think so. But what if it does? I don't know. What if it really does, and then we get even more smushed? Yeah. Let's see what's inside the last Cloudy. About. Oh, here's our little fuzzy thing. Sit here. That's Rotten Tiger and Breezy Koala. Okay. Let's see which one we got. It's the one I wanted! It's so cute! But why does it have a frowny face? It's Bluesy Kitty. Bluesy Kitty? Oh, she has the blues! Oh, yeah, she has the blues. Get it? The joke. She's blue and she has the blues. By the way, the blues means you're sad. Oh, but she's so cute. We just need to fluff up her tail. Maybe that's why she's sad. Oh, it's fluffy up. Keep putting your hand. Look how cute she is. Whoops, I hit the next door neighbor's house. Oopsie. Look how cute. Look at all the ones we got. It's so cute together. Wait, we can use all the blue clouds to make an obstacle course. Yeah, this would show Mommy what we got. Mommy! Look what we got. They're so cute. We got new pets. They're so cute. Here's Rotten Tiger, here's Breezy Koala, and here's Bluesy Kitty. They all look so cute. Now, can you swap their clothes or their tails? Yes, you can. Okay, why don't you swap their tails while I keep making breakfast? Sounds fun. Can I help you make breakfast?
Why don't you want to play with the new toys?
Yeah. First, let me swap his tail with her tail.
Let's get her and her. And let's put this tail in
Wait,
her.
let's grab all of our Yumis.
First I'm swapping their tails though. Oh, she looks so cute in the other tail. Now let's put this little one in the pink tail.
Walking tiger.
Yeah, walking tiger. It's walking tiger. Oh, she looks so cute in this tail. Now let's swap them back.
But I wish we had a new buddy to play with.
Yeah, maybe. Have you ever thought that maybe it'll rain elevator? Do you think tomorrow it'll rain banana animals?
Yeah.
And then tonight it'll rain LOL surprise girls that can be our next door neighbors.
Whoa, wait, Dawn?
Yeah, like Dawn. Yeah, like Dawn. I always wanted to be friends with Dawn.
Like, not the name Dawn, like the Sunrise Dawn.
Yeah, there's a name Dawn. Oh, they look so cute together.
Yeah.
Now they want to play with their toys.
Yeah, let's grab our own Yumis so they can meet the Cloudies.
Or we could play with our squishies.
I'm gonna grab the corn dog.
Squishy corn dog. Oh, look at the pony
Jump, jump,
squishy.
jump, 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 jump. And look, here's a My Little Pony Stackums.
It's so squishy.
Yeah!
Toilet paper squishy. I love this one. This one's my favorite. Twilight. Ooh, I'm gonna make her eye big. Ah! Now let's make this one's eye big.
Squishy, me a walking
Oh,
tiger.
let's make a new one tiger. Okay.
Now I'm going to put.
Now let's put everything back in the bin.
I'm going to put a hole in the
This is so
cup.
squishy.
Vroom, vroom. You have your own ice cream truck.
Wait, what are you doing?
Vroom, vroom.
Oh, you put a squishy pop in the car. Cool.
But this can turn into a table so we can play kitchen.
I don't want to play kitchen. It goes right here to decorate the pony's background. Okay. Look, Papa took care with those toys.
I call Chase.
I found Sky.
I call Wobble.
Oh, they look so cute.
Look at Chase and Wobble.
And look at Sky. Whoop, rescue. Oh, let's put them back.
Look at Ling the Uni. And look, even her leg is detailed. See?
Oh, the favorite unicorn we got is probably this one.
Yes, Sasha.
Yeah, she's so cute and colorful. She even has a little necklace. And she has like, oh, some people. She has like a sparkly horn. Here's some nice blue eyes. And look, you could, well, her head fell off.
Yeah,
just
you
took
can
off
take
her-
off those hits.
Yeah, I took off her necklace. And they come with nice hairs. You can swap their hairs. They kind of remind me of the toy we just discovered. Like you could put this girl's hair on her head.
MC Swag is
Well, actually, this is the hair that's supposed to go on her. Look how cute.
MC Swag is everywhere with her little text call.
Let's put her
And she
there.
always writes, MC Swag was here.
Yeah. Why does she always do that?
I don't know. Why not Pink Baby do it?
Look how cute. I swapped. Oh, her shoes are so cute. Okay. Oh boy. So now what do you want to play with?
Now let's wait until we get a new body.
Nah, no fun. Or we could use some cleaning.
Nah, we'll just clean later.
But this looks pretty horrendous. Like, I mean, look at this. Like, when you get...
Wow, she looks so pretty.
Squishy, squishy.
Look at this uni.
Yeah, I swapped her hair to look good.
Look at this pony.
Yeah, she's so cute. Now, stop messing up everything. I start cleaning up. Come on, it's clean up time.
Don't forget Wayne. And this uni.
There were the unis. Oh, where should we put the new Cloudies toys we got? Maybe we should put them right in the front, like this.
Vroom, vroom, time to go home. Vroom, vroom.
You put them right there. Okay. Let's put this little one.
Where would be Applejack? Look at Applejack. She has a funky looking face. She has a woolly face.
Yeah, those are all for pony toys. Oh, and including Spike. These are the big ponies that we have. And next to those big ponies are the little ponies. We have... Why is she in there? It's supposed to be in the Squishy Pop bin. Why isn't she in there? We have a mini Twilight. Prince Cadence one. And a little, and a mini Pinkie Pie. Now we put them all back in the bin.
Rainbow Dash, Spike, Rainbow Dash, Jungle, Serenade, Willy, and Applejack.
Go.
And this is also a whistle. Can you whistle in it, please?
Yes, I can whistle in it.
It sounds like a choo-choo train.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. What? Spilled all over the place. See? Wow!
Oh no, the drink spilled. But that's okay.
Mommy!
What?
Can we have some paper towels, please?
Why?
Because drink spilled in the playroom.
Well, why did it fall?
Oh yeah, Queen Bee was showing the viewers something and then it spilled.
Why don't you... yeah, I'll go grab it for you. Let me go grab it. Here, girl, I got you some paper towels.
Thanks.
Here, you can clean the mess with it.
Now you just have to keep it there.
Yeah. Oh, I can't see anything. Wow!
Let me put them on you.
Okay. My glasses. I lost my glasses and I was running. They fell off. Now I can see you perfectly, viewers. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. I can see you now.
Yeah, and don't forget, are we going to have a new baddie? Say yes and yell it out loud. But if you have babies in the house or your mommy and daddy didn't wake up yet, say yes and you'll know if you don't know if we're going to get a new buddy or not.
But scream it. Not scream. If you have anybody sweeping in your house, don't scream it. But if you think we're going to get a new buddy, if it's raining, toys, say yes or yes. If you don't think we're going to get a new buddy, say no or no.
No. You have to think if we're gonna get a new body. And then,
Yeah, we're gonna give you some time.
we'll give you a few hours to vote.
No, they don't need a few hours. All they need is I'm gonna give them 30 seconds. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 24, 20,
22, 21,
21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You better have voted in the comments. If the comments are turned off, sorry about that. But
I think our comments are hidden. But
we wasn't gonna talk about that. But now, well, we're just gonna ask you if you voted. Say yes if you voted, or no if you didn't have enough time. If you didn't have enough time, I'll give you 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You should have voted now. Okay.
But if you didn't vote in the 10 seconds, we'll give you 5 more seconds.
Yeah, if you didn't vote in the 10 seconds, we'll give you 5 more little seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, vote time's over. Now, we just have to wait until we get a new buddy. 15 hours later. I'm so bored. Thunder!
What's going on?
Thunder!
Now let's get this plastic wrapper. Now let's open the top.
Ooh!
The places!
It's a great bed.
It's a patio!
Yeah, the patio. Now open our doors and bring idea.
Oh my gosh, it's a beanbag? Can I feel it? It feels beanie.
Ooh, it's a bed.
Let's open the biggest bag!
No, don't open Dawn.
This is not done.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, what is this?
It's hopscotch and a slide. Wait, let me try to put that together. Did you get to place an appointment?
I don't think so.
We'll put it all
What's
together.
this accessory?
It's a bow.
It's a headband.
Yeah.
And now let's see what this is. Oh, this is a part of a hammock.
Can I see? I want to feel it. Oh, they're so comfortable.
Now let's see this bag.
Yay. Some shoes.
It's her shoes. Now let's see this bag. Ooh.
Wait, what is that? It was probably the other set to this. It's probably there's 2 of them. Okay, now what's in here?
It's a water bottle.
That looks so pretty. It reminds me of Dawn.
Oh my gosh, look at these glasses.
Whoa.
Let's see what's in here. Oh, a little game controller.
Wait, why see it. You put it out too quick. Look at it. Oh, it's so cute. And now, the last bag until done. Oh yeah, there's also this bag. It's so close. Ooh, she will go for that. Okay, now open it here. Open it on your lap. Let's see. After you're opening LOL doll. Ooh, hi guys. Hi. Ooh, I always wanted a buddy like you. I couldn't even moving in. So, I'm going to be in the next door neighbor's house. Ooh! Hooray! Now let's go see if it'll rain towards even more in our play area. Yeah, because you should be... Yeah, you don't need to pay any attention to what I'm saying, okay? I want to come too. Okay. I can roll, see? Come in. Come on, let's way down so it doesn't knock us over this time. A banana! Banana! Yummy! Yeah! But why are they different colors? I always see bananas like this. Yeah, like this. They're turning white. Look what these are called. Bananas. And then there's a side. Oh, it says 8 is full plus. And I'm full. We're all full. Yeah, we're all full. I think. Yeah, we forget away. That's okay. Now, whoa. There's a zippo. Whoa, this must be a toy. Like a window no LOL doll. Yeah. That must be the wrapping to the bananas. Yes. The rubber band that holds all the bananas together. Yes. Is this a little smell? This smells like strawberries. Yeah. Yes, it does. Okay. Blind bags. 2 blind bags. 4. There's the wheat blind bags that look exactly like this. Now let's open this one. This feels like food. Let's open it. Mommy, I need the scissors. Here are the scissors. Thanks, Mommy. Look, banana boat. Now let's open this. Keep the bananas full sealing. Put in sealing. Oh, look. First, we got some gems in this, and then looks like this is a piece of pie. Oh, quiche. Yeah. And this looks like a blue apple. Yeah, there are 2 fruits to feed it. That's so cool. Now, let's open the little connectors so you can connect your bananas together, and you can put it on your backpack. It's like a keychain. No. If you put it on like that, then the keychain will fall off. Oh. Okay. And that's a stand for them to go on. Yes. And then we have to connect it like this. And then we need the banana. Here's the banana. Oh, yeah. So here's the connector we put together. Oh, the leaf fell off. And let's put the leaf back on. Like this. I think it goes here. Yeah, it goes here. And you have to put this in the middle and then make sure it snaps. There we go. Oh. Yeah, we'll just forget about that and go to the banana animal. Ooh, it's so cute. Who is it? Why'd you get the cactus? The cactus is a symbol. Wow. Who is it? Come on out. I think it got the cactus. It looks so cute. Who is it? It's someone we don't have. It's a little penguin. I love penguins, but especially Sasquatch penguins. Yes. Now let's try to put out these gems on a penguin. You can't put them on the penguin, but you can put them on the banana. Oh yeah, he's also decorating the banana. Okay. So we'll decorate all the bananas after. So this is all this. Hey, what are you doing? Here's another banana. Okay. This is all the stuff we got out of that banana. We got out of this banana. We got all that. Okay, now let's open the orange one. And see, it says the same symbol, and it's
Bananas.
also says A's 4+.
4 and up.
Yes. Now let's open this part up.
And just so you know, I used to take water at Kennett. Kennett Square.
Okay.
You got a banana. Now let's see what's inside. What are you doing? I'm trying to peel the banana.
Here, I'll peel it for you. There we go.
You're the blind bag.
You're the blind bag.
I'll show you a broken blind bag from me.
Blind bag? Yeah, that's the one you were in, I think. Okay, so let's open up the little food. Let's open the food. Ooh, here are
Look, I'm
its
waiting with
gems. Does this give you any clue to who we're getting? Okay, but let's mush some food out. Oh, got one piece of food this time. Oh, we got 2 pieces of food actually.
An egg cone. Oh, this is actually ice cream.
No, this is an acorn. Oh yeah, it is ice cream. And then we have another piece of pie.
Okay. No, now we have to open the chain. Not the egg. Here's the chain.
First, wait.
This is a prize. What is that?
In the first bag, I found this sticker. I'm just gonna quickly stick it on the banana. And there must be another one.
Here's the chain.
Wait. Yep, do it. You're supposed to. Yeah, that was. It didn't. Yeah, I didn't see that. Okay.
No, we're not opening the animal.
Here is the chain with a little wreath. It's a regular chain. Cool.
Here it is.
Here's the animal. Let's see our banana animal. Looks like it's a little bit yellow from the bag color. Who is it gonna be? I'm just gonna. Oh, it's so cute. I don't think we have this one.
I think I have that one, but it's kind of similar to mine.
Oh, it's so cute. And look, it came with a little sticker. The other one was crumpled up in the bag. Here, let's decorate the little banana with the sticker.
The orange banana.
The orange banana. Oh, look how cute the little... It looks like Pikachu.
Yeah, Pikachu, Pikachu, Pikachu. Choco and Spice have Pokemon cards.
Yeah, I know.
I don't play Pokemon.
Okay, now let's see what we got in this banana animal.
Here's this banana animal. And then you go whip it open.
Okay, our last and prettiest banana.
I think you'll get cactus out of this one.
Go decline that phone call. Oh, whatever.
I don't know who it is.
Suppose it's a little zippo, just like an LOL surprise. This is the last but not least. Banana!
Now it's Pee-wee. There we go. There we go.
There are the blind bags. Oh, and this one, it came with a collector's guide.
I think we missed the collector's guide.
Here, let's look at it. Oh, this one is a banana animal.
So let's see who.
The widow penguin is Polka Penguin, BFF. Lovey Monkey. And the yellow one we got was Herm Iron Hamster. Okay, now we're back to the banana. So now let's open the food. This is our last but not least banana.
What if you get the unicorn? Because it's on the other side of the collector side.
Oh, some food we didn't get yet. We didn't get the raspberries yet.
Yeah, they look yummy, but they're not.
And we didn't get the ice cream. We got the ice cream, but not in this color. And do you guys know who this is by the gem color? Didn't look like we got these gems yet.
If you have this whole series of series 1, then try to guess who it is.
Yeah.
Now, let's try to get the... Whoa, my scissors got stuck like that.
Okay. So now let's just make a little poke tab and poke out the...
Oh, look at the sticker!
Oh yeah, the stickle. It's not in there. It's in the animal. Okay. So here are the things we got. We didn't get orange yet. Okay. Here comes the big reveal. It kind of looks green, so I'm curious. What is it?
Maybe you got these. One of these two.
Are they red?
They have a square on them.
We don't have this one. It's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's a unicorn. Oh my gosh, it's my baby one yet. It's so...
Oh, there it is.
What?
Pop Unicorn.
Her name is Pop Unicorn. She's so cute. So if you want Pop Unicorn, make sure you get these gems, these food, and this stand, and this banana. And then when you open the review, you get the little unicorn.
Look, I have a banana too. Let me see what's inside.
Yeah, that's one of our old bananas. We have so
This
many
is my
old
banana.
Yeah, we have so many old
Banana
bananas.
in my mouth. Wait a second. Wait a second.
When do you think it's gonna rain toys again? Ever again?
Maybe when we get new toys, maybe like when you buy something, then it would do a thunderstorm. But let's play around in our banana boat. Which one do you think I should use? This one? Wait.
It's the end of this video. Hope you enjoy.